Yes, and it's in effect until, pretty early in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning. Hopefully none of you need to be on the road during those early morning hours. I'm going to get into those details here in just a second, but first talk about the mountain. You just heard the story about ALPINE Meadows and the avalanche that they had there today. I just want to bring to your attention the fact that we've had quite a bit of snow. We've had a lot of changes in our temperatures, a lot of wind too. So you have different layers that you're dealing with, and this, of course, is a risk. Mountain Meadows right now, 24 degrees. Our snow levels are actually going to come up. Here's a look at a picture from earlier today of ALPINE Meadows. Yeah, it's tucked away in there in the Sierra Nevada mountains, right next to Lake Tahoe, a really pretty place to go. This is where it is approximately, again, just on the west side of Lake Tahoe. So what is our avalanche risk going into tomorrow? It's in the considerable category, and just because it's not in the high or extreme category does not mean it's any less of a risk. It goes from above the tree line all the way down below the tree line. So keep that in mind if you're heading to the backcountry. Taking a look at some of the snow that we saw from around the valley and all over the place. Quite a few pictures came in, so thank you for sharing those with us. I wish I could share all the pictures, but what was significant, I really like this picture. Thank you so much, Leta, for sharing this with us. She's in Newberg, but she's up at about 1,000 feet. Quite a difference in what you saw in the moment that the snow was falling, accumulating. She got close to about a half inch or so, but of course, all of it melted away as we warmed up during the day. So we'll look for more rain in the valley, not seeing any more chances, though, for any snow in the valley. Here's Highway 26, Mount Hood. Yeah, you got a snow-covered road right there. SANTIAM Pass, the snow continues to fall. Conditions in Portland, we have 38 degrees, raining on and off, wind out of the southeast at 17 miles per hour. Strong winds as we roll into tomorrow morning, especially at the coast, noticing wind gusts anywhere from 30 to 35 miles per hour. Tonight through tomorrow morning, 5:30 in the morning, we're going to talk about wind gusts up to nearly 50 miles per hour, that being right around Cannon Beach, Nesquin, and Tillamook. It won't last for long, though. As soon as we get to about 8, 9 o'clock in the morning, winds still, gusty out there, but not as strong. Overall flow comes up from the southwest that warms up our temperatures. That's going to bring up our freezing level. So your snow level will go from about 1,500 to 2,000 feet on up to almost 5,000 feet by tomorrow night. That will also change the temperature profile for the gorge. We're starting off freezing this evening, but by tomorrow night, I think we're going to see some warmer conditions in the gorge. We get to Saturday night and late Saturday night, winds won't be as much of a factor. Let's take a look at radar right now. Noticing it's all about the rain in the valley. We can see the snow falling over the Cascades and some of it coming closer to I-84 here in the gorge. Putting this map into motion, we are expecting, again, any chance of freezing rain. It does exist, but we need those ground temperatures to be absolutely freezing or below. At this moment, we're seeing some light precipitation moving through the west end of the gorge. More likely to see that snow, though, anywhere from 3 to 7 inches possible for the areas right around Hood River over to Cascade Locks. Here's the latest system that we're dealing with. Looks pretty impressive. It'll be carrying, those strong winds at the coast for you tomorrow morning. Everything kind of falls apart, though, as it advances to the north, and we'll be left with pretty dry conditions Sunday afternoon. Most of all that rain heading into Washington and also along the coast. We get to Sunday night, and we're still dry. That'll be nice. Could possibly see anywhere from about 6 to 8 inches of new snow at resort levels, possibly closer to about a full foot of new snow in the next 24 hours for the peaks just above our mountain passes. That'll be pretty exciting. But look at our warm days ahead in the valley. Low 50s Sunday and Monday.
It will soak in that sun on Sunday because it looks like the rest of your 7 day has more rain.
I know, sorry.
Gosh.
Yeah.
Thanks, Natasha.